Good day, everyone. Good day, ma'am. So for now, we are going to continue our report last meeting. So for now, we are tackled. I am tackled about the part of the illustration section, which is the pictures, the shape, icons, tree models, smart art, chart, and the screenshot. So illustration is where you can add pictures of all types and styles to your document. Okay. So pictures. The first selection is in illustration is insert a picture from a file. When you click on this, a window will open for you to browse to a photograph or other pictures you have saved on your computer. So, like for example, picture. This is the part of the picture, the device. You can select from the device the stock image or the online pictures. So, like for example, we add pictures in our document. So we click if you want the pictures from your device or the pictures from the stock image. So we're going to choose the picture from this device. So like for example, this picture, I click this and insert, and that is the result. So pwede sa nato na siya i-zoom or gusto na to siya pag forma sa atong picture sa atong document. Pwede ko siya paggamit or padak-an. Next is the shape. Click the drop down arrow or shapes. You will see a long list of the shape you can insert in your Word document. To insert a shape, simply click in the location of your document you want the shape to appear. And click the shape. So, like for example, this one, there are many kind of shape. The lines, the rectangle shape, the basic shape, the block arrows, the equation shape, star and banners, and the call out shape. So, um, if you want this kind of shape, the rectangle, you can click this shape and draw to your document, like for this. Okay. You can also, if you want to zoom in or zoom out. Uh, okay, like for this. So this is the kind of shape. This is the rectangle shape. Okay. So next is the icon. You can insert icon in your Microsoft Office document, workbooks, email messages, and presentation. You can rotate, color, and resize them with no loss of image quality. These icons are free to use. There's no royalty or copyright. So this sa aning laptop ako igamit is wala mi connection. So dili na to makita kung saan unsa na to paggamit sa icon. So but and you can select icon that you can rotate and resize them by using option of the graphic format tab. So wala tayo makita kay walay connection. Okay. So let's proceed to the 3D models. So you insert the 3D models in your files such as same way as the image. On the insert tab of the ribbon, select 3D models and then format a file. So ang 3D model is parehas siya sa picture nga mo-select sad ka you can select image in the 3D model. So maka-choose ka kung asa ka mo gamit og image sa device ba or sa stock model. So I'm going to choose this device, like for this. I know. So So like for this, I try this to insert. Ah, something wrong. Di siya ano, okay, di siya ma-access. So, basta ang 3D model is the same to the picture. You can also rotate and see all angles. So next is we proceed to the smart art. Okay. Smart art is a unique tool. Smart art will automatically graphically design, list, hierarchy chart, pyramid, or more. Smart art will put the graphics into your document and you can customize it by highlighting and changing the text. Smart art allows you to visually communicate information rather than simply using text. Illustration can make an impact in your document, and smart art makes using graphics especially easy. So, the okay, so we can use smart art if the if you need to make a graphic in your document. Just like for this, there are many kind of smart art. The process style, the uh, cycle, hierarchy style, relationship style, matrix, pyramid, picture, or office.com. So there are many styles of the smart art. You can choose anything if you want to your document. Just like choose one in the hierarchy style. This one. Okay. So you can also add text. Just for example, um, okay. So this is the result. You can i pwede ka mo pwede nimo pwede na bubutangan og text ang graphics nga imong gipili. So mao ni siya. For example lang ni akong gibutang nga mga name diri basta mo ni ang use sa graphic ay sa graphic mo ni ang use sa smart art which is the graphic. Okay. Sa natin. Okay. Now the second to the last is the smart ID chart. The chart button will let you choose the style chart you would like, then automatically open a word sheet for you to enter your data to create your chart. This may seem like too many choices. It is pretty easy to choose one since they are separated into 11 different categories. Just like for example this. Living with the column, the line, and the template, the column, the line, pie, bar, the area, Swiss cutter, sa mat ni siya, mo ni gamiton pag sa mat na kuan na chart. Sa map, chart title, sorry. Sa stack, sa surface, sa rudder, sa tree map, sa sunburst, sa histogram chart, sa box and whisker. This is the form of the style of box and whisker chart. And then the waterfall the waterfall chart, the funnel chart, and also the combo chart. This one. Okay. You can also use this chart in your document if your document uh, need to put or need to use the chart. For example, you in your document you can use pie chart. So you go to the insert tab and go to the you can go to the chart and search the pie chart. Okay, like for example this one. You click and click the OK. Okay. So this one, this is the pie chart of this is the use of chart. The example of the chart that I use in the document is the pie chart. So for the last one is this. For the last one of the illustration section is the screenshot. Um, The function of the screenshot is capturing snapshot of programs or windows that you have opened on your computer. When you click the screenshot button, open program windows are displayed as thumbnails in the available Windows gallery. So the use of screenshot in Microsoft Word is to including a step-by-step instruction complete screenshot in your procedural or technical documentation can make a big difference. They break up the text and they can make your message even clearer by visually showing what you're trying to convey using text alone. So you can use a screenshot. We are trying to use this screen flipping. Okay. Demon also screenshot is quickly add a snapshot of any windows that open your desktop to your document. Okay. Screen flipping. So, ano siya, move back home, then nag-process siya pa screenshot. Buga siya. Okay. So, that is the use of screenshot. So, that's all my part, and I will give the link section of Miss Rogeline.
Now we talk about the link section. The link, the bookmark, the cross-reference. Links. These three buttons create links in your document that a reader can click on to jump to a website, bookmark section of your document, an email address, or another program. Hyperlink. Hyperlink, a link from a hypertext document to another location activated by clicking on a highlighted word or image. Next is the bookmark. If you are working on a long document and need to return to specific location in the document for editing, Word's bookmark feature can prove invaluable. Rather than having to scroll through pages and pages of your document, you can quickly return to marked locations to resume your work. In the bookmark, you can put the title of your document and the body of it. Next is cross-reference. Cross-reference to a reference to another text or part of a text typically given in order to elaborate on a point. This is the cross reference. You can put the numbered item and paragraph number. You can insert as hyperlink. There is a separate numbers and next is header and footer. In the header and footer section, there are three buttons. By clicking the header button, you are able to select the style for the text that will appear at the top of each page of your document. The footer is the same as the header but will appear at the bottom of each page of the document. This is the header. Sure. No. The parts of the sa header guys na built-in blank la header and footer.
Wala yung leader. Balik ito.
The blank that have three columns Aston banded. Footer the same as in the header. Proceed to the page number. Let's proceed to the page number. Page number will give you a selection of putting your page numbers at the top of page, bottom of page margin or current position along with a formatting and removal option. And that's all my part.
The continuation, we're going to tackle about the text section, which is text text box, quick part, word art, drop cut, signature, line, date and time, object. We concept. Text box. The text box section let do even more formatting to your text. In the documents for the greeting cards and other fancy documents, using this text function and easier than using the basic text in the Microsoft Word. Isang di po ganda. Pwede po padakan, pwede po pagamian. Pwede po, Bisaya na tani eh. Yeah. Tenang sana konsol. So man dia. Put is the quick part. Next is the quick part. Quick parts is well insert usable piece and content including well documents properties such as the title and author or any pre-formatted snippets you create. Use the quick part gallery to create, store, and find visible piece and of content including auto text documents properties such as title and author and fields. Next is the word art. Word art. When you click on the word art button, you get a selection of several styles and of text. Choose one, and window will open for your desk. You to type your text. When you click OK, you will get other selection of editing option. Next is drop. Ano ito? Next is drop cut. Drop cut, put and large capital letter at the beginning of a paragraph. Ano to? Next is the signature line. Signature line is just the providing a line with an X with a name and title you choose under the signature line. Next is the object. Object insert an im, embed, embedded object onto your documents as a media clip or an Excel document. Is next is the symbol. Moving on to the last section symbol, the click on the drop down arrow takes off equation and symbol to get an idea of of the type of text you can create with this option. This is the part of the text section. The last one is the symbol section. So the moving on to symbol symbol. Moving on to the last section symbol, click the on the drop down arrow text and equation and symbol to get an idea of the type of text you can create with this option. Equation. You can also edit your equation by simply the clicking to equation tools. That's all that's all our part in the insert tab.